Hey everyone, JJ Kegel here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the new quick launch feature in iOS 14. Used to be when you were searching for an app, so like when you would swipe down and enter this menu and search for an app, you would then have to go tap on the app that you want to launch. However, in iOS 14, all you have to do is begin typing the name of the app. And as soon as that app gets highlighted, if you can see that gray border around the Messages app, and we see the blue enter button change to a go, we can just hit go, and it will open the app just like that. And it's much quicker than older iOS's, previous iOS's, and I think you're going to love it. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe.